I'm Scott Schaff, and I've been with All American 4x4 first and then Parker 4x4 for about 10 years. It was about 10 years ago that I moved here, and I had a monster off-road JK that I would obviously take a lot of off-roading and break stuff. Well, the first time I broke an axle off there, off-roading, I'd have it towed back into town, and I thought, all right, now what? I'm new here, I don't know anybody, I can't ask for recommendations on who to go see. So I had to go the old-fashioned route and just do some Google search and read some reviews. Well, All American had some amazing reviews, and I thought I'd check it out. I was blown away with their service and their quality. Over the next 4 years, I had that Jeep. Let's just say I probably paid their rent for a few months. I had a lot of work done, but they've always done amazing work on it, and things last for a long time, even though I beat the crap out of it. And after I sold my Jeep, I had a Ford, full-size Ford truck, and now I have a full-size Ram truck, and both vehicles have been serviced here. A little bit of a lift work, oil changes. It could be small, it could be big, but I've always been taken care of in a timely manner. And they go above and beyond. Even with warranty work, that's extremely rare. They stand by their product and stand by what they do. Trust can be hard, it'd be difficult. We know this industry is known for being shady and having some dishonest work being done or work that doesn't need to be done. Well, you don't have to worry about that here. All American and Parker, they are overly honest. They go out of their way to take you and show you exactly what's wrong with your own eyes and explain the process. And then when they do the work, it's done properly, it's done quickly, and the price is right. I had an unfortunate situation a week ago where my truck was stolen, and the police recovered it about 5 days later. However, it didn't have a key fob anymore, and there was quite a bit of damage done, and it was stuck in the police impound lot. Well, yesterday I spent about 5 or 6 hours in the police impound lot trying to get it out, and none of the tow truck companies were helping me. There was some gentlemen that came out to try to reprogram the new key I had bought. They couldn't figure it out. They were having issues, and I was just at my wit's end, and I just called Steve. I said, brother, I need your help. And right away, he took care of it. He got a tow truck on the way, had the truck towed back, and he's going to reprogram my keys himself because he has the equipment to do it, along with every other imaginable piece of equipment. So their warranty is phenomenal. Of all the years I've been here and all the work I've had done on multiple vehicles, there's only one time I had to bring a vehicle back, and it was a transfer case issue. They completely replaced it, fixed it. I was literally 10 miles down the road after I left that day, and it just exploded. But that didn't matter. I called Steve in a frantic off of I-470, and he says, brother, don't worry about it. You sit right there. My tow truck is on the way. Let's get it back in here. So sure enough, they picked me up right off the road, bring the Jeep back, and right away they got to work on it. And then they found out there was another issue that was causing that issue, but they took care of everything anyways under the warranty. It didn't cost me a dime.